So good afternoon. Good afternoon, Vailina. Good afternoon, Kankana. Good afternoon, Aryan. Good afternoon, Parni. Good afternoon, Harshita. Okay, today we will discuss derivation of the quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic formula to keneke derive hoise that we are going to discuss today. Yes, good afternoon, Kavyashri. So you can write derivation of the quadratic formula. Board is clear, everyone? Yes, Kasturi. Good afternoon. So the generalized form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the general form of quadratic equation where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, isn't it? Now to this equation I have to apply the method of completing square. Then only we can derive the quadratic formula. So here you can see a square is a square can be written sorry x square can be written as x whole square, but this a is not a perfect square, isn't it? A power 1 আছে, so I mean এনেকে a whole square to বানাবো নোৱাৰিম. That cannot be done, isn't it? Here only x square can be written as x whole square, but what can I do that for a? No, because the power is 1. So what I will do is you can multiply a or you can divide a. Okay, multiplication will be little easier. So a multiply korilo with the whole equation 0 into a. I can write multiplying a on both sides. Okay, so a into a is a square x square, a into bx is abx, and a into c is ac, and 0 into a is 0. Got it right, all of you? Any doubt with this step? So now this a square x square can be written as ax whole square. Now what is the second term will be? Here it is plus, so I have to write plus 2ab, isn't it? Completing square tamak a plus b whole square or else a minus b whole square convert koribo lage. So here plus second term is positive, so twice a thayo ki ase. This is a for this equation, isn't it? So and now আমাক ব্যালেন্সও কৰিব লাগে abx বনাব লাগে সো 2 আমি আহি গল b/2 যদি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰো a2 আৰু a2 টু ক্যান্সেল হৈ যাব ax * b is abx ব্যালেন্স হৈ যাব সো b এর জায়গা কোনে ললে ইয়াত b/2 তোমালোকে নিজে ব্যালেন্স কৰি b2 আনিব লাগিব isn't it? So to keep the balance you have to multiply b/2 so that 2 and 2 got reduced and ax into b will give you abx balanced. Now place of b has been taken by b/2, so b square, that is b/2 whole square. Now this b/2 whole square was not there in the equation, I have written by myself, isn't it? So to keep the balance plus likhisu তেতিয়া minus kori and plus AC was already there, so plus AC has been written and is equal to 0. From here to here It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will give you ax plus b by 2 whole square minus b square by 4 plus ac is equal to 0, isn't it? B whole square করলে b square হবে 2 square is 4. Now we need to change the we need to keep whole square on one side and other part on the other side, isn't it? So I can write ax plus b by 2 whole square is equal to b square by 4 minus ac. Okay, so LCM will be 4. Here it is b square and 4 will be ac will be multiplied with 4 because denominator इतने क्यों होगा 4 होगा या denominator 1 असली है. So now ax plus b by 2 whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac divided by 4. Got it right, all of you? Okay. So now what can I write is this is equal to root over this, which implies ax plus b by 2 is equal to root over b square minus 4ac divided by 4 plus minus root over by root যোনটো value আহিব তাৰ positive negative. Okay, so ax plus b by 2 is equal to plus minus. I cannot take anything out of this numerator. আমি নাজানো কি fraction আছে কোনটো number দুবার multiply হলে আমি b square minus 4ac পাম, isn't it? So I cannot take that out of the root, so it will be b square minus 4ac only divided by 2. Now this b by 2 is positive here. That side, if I take, it will be minus, isn't it? So ax is equal to minus b by 2 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Ax 2 will be the LCM, so b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Now a is getting multiplied, the other side it will be b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a, which implies x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So this is the quadratic formula. Got it, all of you? Any doubt, anyone? Got it, all of you? Costa, Vailina, okay. Then we will move to example number 11. Okay, let's see example number 11 then. So, example number 11 says find two consecutive odd positive integers whose sums whose sum of whose squares is 290. You need to find what? Two consecutive odd positive integers. Duta consecutive কোয়ার মানে the numbers which comes one after the other. Okay, those numbers you have to find such a way that when you find the sum of their squares it becomes 290. So তোমালোকক কি কৈছে odd positive কৈছে, isn't it? So you will not take x directly. Okay, you it's better to take twice x plus 1. Why twice x plus 1? Because 2 into any number is 2 into any number is what? Positive, even. 2 into any number is even, and when I add 1 to it, it becomes odd. And 2 into 2x plus 3. Or else you can take twice x minus 1 and twice x plus 1. That is also correct. So we'll write, let the two consecutive odd positive integers, let the two consecutive odd positive integers be twice x plus 1 and twice x plus 3. So কুৱেশ্যনত কি দিয়া আছে, যেতিয়া তোমালোকে এই দুটা নম্বৰৰ স্কোয়াৰ or sum উলিয়াবা. So I have squared the first and the second and I have found the sum and it becomes what? 290. Are you getting it, all of you? Which is equal to 290. So a plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 290. Okay, so 2 square is 4, 4x square, 2 into 2 is 4, 4x into 1 is 4x plus 1, 4x, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12x plus 9 is equal to 290. 4x square plus 4x square is 8x square, 12 plus 4 is 16x, 9 plus 1 is 10, minus 290 is equal to 0. So it will become 8x square plus 16x minus 280 is equal to 0. So overall you can see 8 and 16 are, 8 is divisible by 8, 16 is divisible by 8 and 280 is also divisible by 8. So তোমালোকে 8 common লৈ লবা, অলপ reduce হৈ যাব. X square plus 2x minus 3 times 24 remains what? 25, 26, 27, 28. 4 remains 4, 0, 40. 5 times 40 is equal to 0. So which implies x square plus twice x minus 35 is equal to 0 divided by 8. Here it was getting multiplied, the other side it is getting divided. Which implies x square plus twice x minus 35 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Till here, anyone any doubt? Okay, so we will solve this equation using the quadratic formula, but there is no binding that you have to solve using quadratic formula or middle term split or completing square until and unless it is mentioned in the question. যদি কোশ্চেনত মেনশন নকৰে তুমি completing square use কৰিব পাৰা, splitting the middle term use কৰিব পাৰা, or else quadratic formula use কৰিব পাৰা. It's up to you. Okay, so this is the question, this is the equation here. A ধাৰত কি আছে? Generally কি হয়? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a ধাৰত কি আছে ইয়াত? Here a is equal to 1, b ঠাইত কি আছে? 2, comma b is equal to 2, c is equal to what? Minus 35. Got it? How to compare? এইটো তোমালোকক দেখাব নালাগে, জাস্ট তোমালোকক বুজাবলে মই লিখি দিছো. Okay, so you got the idea how to find a, b and c. So quadratic formula কি আছে? Therefore x by quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. This is the quadratic formula. Okay, so which implies x is equal to, what is the value of b here? Minus, value of b is 2 and minus is already there in the formula, so I have written, okay, minus 2, then plus minus b square, that is 2 square minus 4 ac. A is 1 and c is minus 35 by twice a. A is what? 1. So minus 2 plus minus 2 square is 4, minus minus plus 35 into 4 is 140 divided by 2, minus b plus minus root over 144 divided by 2. Okay, then which implies minus 2 plus minus 12, because root of 144 is 12, so which is equal to minus 2 plus 12 by 2 and minus 2 minus 12 by 2. So here it will be 10 by 2, which is equal to 5, and here it will be minus 14 by 2, which is equal to minus 7. Now minus 7 will not be possible. Okay, not possible, because already it is mentioned that the numbers are positive. It is already mentioned that the number should be odd positive integers. So negative cannot, minus cannot be there since the number is positive. So number will be what? 2 into 5 plus 1 and 2 into 5 plus 3. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, and the next number will be what? 10 plus 3 is 13. So the two consecutive numbers will be 11 and 13 respectively. Got it right, all of you? Any doubt, anyone? So do you remember the quadratic formula? All of you? This part is not visible, it seems, properly. Is this part visible properly? Now what you will do, you will you will solve the derivation. You will just how I have shown you the derivation of quadratic formula, you will do it that, and you will solve example number 11 and you will send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, as my ink is about to be over and I don't have that refill one, so I won't continue the class for this. I will stop here only, as I cannot write with this marker. Okay, Okay, then thank you everyone. You'll send me within 2 to 3 hours. Okay. Yes, welcome everyone.